I just bought this Ansteker 4K ultra high definition camera. Now let's see what's inside. Well, we have, let's see. A clip. A lens with a cover. All right. Let's see what's next. That's a microphone cover. Adapter. This one. Another adapter for the lens. This got the camera acted really well. There's another big box. Cables, charger, another lens cover, battery, extra battery, adapter, oh, the remote, and card, and a user menu. In bilingual. Okay, here's English. Alright. Warranty card. There's another user menu. Okay, now after we lay out everything on the table from the box, let's put the camera together. We start from microphone. Pick up this, and we're gonna put a cover on, and we're gonna put on the camera. Let's see, we'll take the slider out. Okay, so here we're going to slide the microphone in, and we turn the piece here to tighten it up, so it will not slide out on its own. Alright, the microphone is done. Well, this camera came with 2 pieces of battery, so you got extra battery. And this is the charger. You just plug in like this and flip and plug into the wall. Now you can charge your battery. Okay, let's do the lens now. Well, we have some lens cover here. This one. Okay, I think this one goes back to here. And then you go on the lens here. We just screw it in. It will look like this. And this is the lens that it's built into the camera. And now we are going to do the wide angle lens. That, okay, take back off. And then we take the lens cover off. And then we need to screw this on. Okay. And then we're gonna screw on this here. Okay, tighten up. Now look like this. See? Just look like the photo. It looks cool. Now we have the camera put it together, and we need to put battery in. So we can this side up. Alright. Pop it open. Alright, automatically. You don't have to turn it on. As soon as you pop the screen open, it will turn on automatically. Now let's take a video, and before you can take a video, you need to put the SD card in there. Here's where you put the card in. I bought the class 10 SD card for this video camera, and here you can turn on and off from here. Turn off. And you can also, by just close and open the screen. See? Like that. Well, we are going to try the microphone, the external microphone. We put it on earlier. So first, we need to get adapter in. So we plug in, and now we plug the microphone in, just like that. Okay, I plugged the microphone in. Now we can turn it off. So when you're not using it, you're supposed to put it back onto off position, save the power. And this sponge cover is to block the wind sound. And here's the adapter. Alright, now let's see. Okay. If you want to record the video, just hit the start and stop button here, and let's see. And by zooming in out, and we can push the button here, zoom in out. Okay, I had the key on the video shoot earlier. Now I'm going to put it on the photo shoot, and here's the button. Here it says photo, and here we go. So it's taking photos. And also some key here. This is for display. So you can go back and check the photos and videos you took earlier. And this is the menu. So you go back to the menu key there. And this is the light switch. So if it's too dark, and you can give it extra light by push this button. So let's go back. Let's go back to the video shoot. Let's make an example here. Let me turn off the light, and you can see it is very dark now. And if I push the button here, voila, brighten up. This is the clip came with the package. It took me a while to figure out how to use this thing. You can just turn it and put this on the back of the camera lens like this, and then you just clip on to your cell phone. Make sure this part is right in front of the cell phone camera, so it can make it a wide angle, make your regular cell phone camera into a wide angle camera. That's really cool. Some people may ask, what is the difference between regular camera and the wide angle camera lens? So let me show you. Right now, what you see is just a regular, through the regular camera lens. And I am going to connect to the wide angle camera lens. Oops. See? Now you can see wider. You can see the cup, which you did not see earlier. Let's see the difference. You see now? You don't see the painting. And after I put the camera lens on, you can see the part of the painting too. So this camera lens, wide angle camera lens, will let you view a wider angle and view more. You can see more options. You can see more object in your photos or your video shoot. This is another reason I choose this camera, which I purchased this. I think really worth the money to paying for. That's really good. Now let's see the two cables that came with the box. This one, we can see one end is HDMI connector, so this one is the one for you to display the videos or photos you shoot from your camera to your TV. So just plug this side to the TV, plus this side to your your camcorder, and then you can just watch it from your TV, big screen. And this cable, obviously it's a charger cable. We plug this side on to your camcorder, and this side you plug into the wall. Now you can charge your camcorder while you're using it. That's for if you're going to use it for a long time for something. There is also a remote control for your camcorder, easy, but make sure before you use it, pull the plastic piece out so the battery can be in charge. Otherwise, you wouldn't get it to work. Okay, let's demo how to use the remote control. First, you have to make sure that you have the settings set on the video shoot here. And then you just hit this button here. It's recording now. And turn off. Alright, if you want to take a photo, you just move the setting to the photo set. And then you push the camera symbol here to can take a photo like this. It's really cool. Let's go to setup, see what came with it. Setup. It's cool that this is a touch screen, so very make it easier. Language, you can set up the language to whatever you want. TV mode, sound, auto and off. Let's see. Language, wow, so many. About 13 languages. Alright. That's for you to plug in the camcorder to TV. You can turn off on the sound from here. Right now I have it set sound on. Yeah. 50 Hz, 60 Hz. Date. You can set it to on. So whenever you take photos and videos, it will show the date on at the corner. If you want to format your SD card, just push this button. I don't, so I will skip that. And default, that will go back to the original default set. So if you want to lose all your setup, just do that one. That easy. And return. Alright, the slideshow is to show you the photos and videos you just took. Okay, we go back. Wi-Fi, same thing. See, you will see the Wi-Fi code and name that you just type into your cell phone, the app you downloaded, then you can connect them together. And for more information, I definitely recommend you read the owner's menu. That's very helpful.